use in looking back. Gotta laugh or gotta live, 'cause I'm so over the past, and I'm living it fast. Underneath the strobe lights,
Good morning, you guys. Today is Tuesday and we all just rolled out of bed. I'm fixing some breakfast for everyone and I'm watching this crazy storm roll in. Look at this, you guys. It never storms like this in the morning. Check this out.
Sarah and Doug. Sarah and Doug. Sarah and Doug.
It's crazy. It has been storming since
Sarah and Doug.
probably 7 and it's almost 10 right now. Is it really almost 10?
Sarah and Doug.
Wow, we really slept in this morning.
Looking on the
I very rarely sleep in that late. But Dawson was up like all night and we don't know why. I mean, he wasn't feeling that great when we laid him down, but that usually makes him sleep deeper. But last night he just wasn't having it. It's funny though, because he was in like a really good mood. Like he got up ready to play, but Britt brought him into the bed and made him go to sleep.
I don't think Doug wants to do any of this.
So we are having some sausage, scrambled eggs, and some toast. Everybody else is in there watching Sarah and Duck on Netflix. And it's gonna be a chill day. We probably aren't gonna do much because the weather sucks and Dawson's sick and I just don't feel like getting out in this weather. Right. How's your breakfast? Is it good? How's yours, Mammal?
Good.
Good. So we're having some breakfast, watching the storm roll in.
And we've never had a storm this hard, and we've never had internet too.
Yeah, Gavin's impressed and thankful that we still have internet. Because it is very windy out there.
Very windy and rainy.
It's actually starting to calm down a little bit now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright guys, the kitchen is all clean. I got the dishes done. The boys are watching YouTube videos, Roblox stuff or something, I don't know. So I am going to retreat to my bedroom to check my email.
Oh, onto the zombie, onto this giant zombie that is in the toxic waste right now.
And my YouTube comments, respond to some of those. Wow, it's dark in here. I love this. I love it. I'm one of those people that, I mean, I really love summer, don't get me wrong. I love the fact that we can go outside and play and do whatever we want and it's warm and all that. But I hate the fact that it stays daylight until 10 o'clock at night. I don't like that. I like it when it gets dark right around 8. Because it relaxes me. When it's still daylight at like 9:30, 10 o'clock at night, I'm not ready for bed. And then I'm tired in the morning.
Bother anyone ever again, okay?
Gosh, Gavin needs to clean his room. Oh my god. Holy crap, you guys. Okay, it's under the sink, Mammal. You can get it.
The way we did it, we skipped steps.
I just peeked outside off our back porch, and the pond behind our house is almost to our house. This is actually really bad.
Oh, and then you can get this, you can get on the roof.
Oh, is that how you get on the roof?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go out. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. That's all I have to say. This is not good because we have more storms coming in tonight. And right under there is the drain, and it must be clogged. I don't even know what to do. There's nothing to do. Holy shit. Alright guys, so I'm kind of regretting talking about how much I love storms and rain because now the roads are flooded and people are being evacuated just south of us. No, don't let him in the fridge. Shut the fridge door. So I want to show you guys the roads. So you can see way over there, that's about, the road has about 3 inches of standing water in it. Yep. So we won't be leaving today unless we are evacuated.
I don't know.
So like I said, people in the town just south of us, about, I don't know, like 6 or 7 miles away, people there are being evacuated because of the flooding. We've had about 6 inches of rain in the past 4 hours. That's a lot of water. And our drains just can't keep up with it. So that's the problem. Britt should be on his way home. He's gonna come survey the flooding and see if we need to go get sandbags. It's crazy, you guys. All of our phones just went off about a half an hour ago with a flash flood warning. I'm sure it's gonna happen again because we have more storms. That should be here within the next hour. Here we go again, you guys. Another storm rolling in.
Oh, it's amazing.
Yeah.
Xbox 360 slim. It's not even like the white console.
I can't believe
Well guys, our town is being evacuated. But the storms are almost over. And this pipe here, the overflow, the town came out and they checked it, and the outtake is way on the other side of this roadway over here, and it's just pouring out. So it's working, and I don't think it's gonna get any higher back here, luckily, but the roads are still pretty bad. Downtown has been evacuated.
your dad's in here.
The roads are pretty bad, but not so much in front of our house because apparently there's a high spot right there. Down there is pretty bad. Down there is pretty bad. So I don't think we're going to leave. I don't think it's necessary now that it's almost over. But I just thought I'd give you guys a update on that. I'm a member of the town's Facebook page, and they were asking people to donate life jackets and boats to help rescue people downtown. We don't have anything to donate, unfortunately. I feel really bad for those people because their houses are being flooded. There's water coming through their doors, and that's awful. I hate that they have to be taken from their houses and displaced like that, but I guess we're pretty lucky. You guys reading a story?
So yeah.
It's a cow!
See?
And a duck and a pig. Britt just brought home dinner.
You might have to.
What'd you get me?
I tried calling you.
Why didn't you give me the kind I got last time?
Doesn't look like your lenses are all the way open.
Ooh, they're not. There we go.
Anywho, they had that, fruit punch, and something else. And I was like,
I wanted the orange one.
They didn't have it. And I was like, well, I know they don't have the orange.
This one's okay though.
And I feel like if I got a fruit punch, she'd be like, why'd you get fruit punch? And the other one was just like fruit punch. So I was like, I don't know what to do.
All right, ready to eat? Oh, Dawson's ready to eat. You ready to eat, Mama?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. So I got a seafood burrito. Britt got arroz con pollo. Mama got arroz con pollo, and Gavin likes to make little burritos out of Dad's arroz con pollo. And Dawson's just sharing with everybody. He gets a little bit of everything. Oh, yeah. Oh, Dawson. Your little toes. Oh, they look so cute. Blow on them. Good job. Mama's fingernails look good. Your little toesies. Oh, they're so cute. Don't touch them, they're wet. Yep, this is happening. My mom talked me into trying these curlers. So I took a shower and I put all these curlers in my hair, and now I'm wondering how I'm supposed to sleep. Am I supposed to sleep sitting up? How did people do this every night back in the day? I want to know. You're closer. Next time I'll get it. Dawson's awake again. Check his mouth, please. Check his mouth. So earlier Dawson broke out in these weird little bumps around his mouth. And I'm thinking that it was just a rash from his pacifier. So I think it's almost time to get rid of the pacifier. This is already like the third time he's woke up tonight, and it's only like 8 o'clock. But I'm going to get ready for bed, and I'm going to figure out how I'm going to sleep tonight. Somebody is not feeling very well, so he's going to hang out with us until he falls asleep. He's having some cookies with Daddy. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below so you can keep up with all of our videos. And we will see you next time. Bye. I'm holding on, if almost gone.